What's up, guys? It's Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today, I have the pleasure of showing you one of my favorite style of boats that we offer, which is bay boat styles. I'm more of an inshore, near shore fisher myself, and this is a perfect application to be able to do that. This boat is the Shearwater 23 TE. This is a 2013 model, powered by a Yamaha F250 VMAX. Traditionally, you can fit a 150 to a 300 on this boat, but the common power package is the 250 show. It is excellent to be able to get you to and from the spot very quickly, as well as comfortably cruising. Hop up inside and let's see some more. All right, now that we're up here inside the boat, like I mentioned earlier, this is my favorite style of boat because it has lower gunnel sides. I'm a short guy, so this is perfect size for me. In the back section here, they do have a removable backrest, which offers a very big aft casting platform. What you'll also notice back here is there's two pedestal fishing plates that you can insert fishing seats on. This will allow you to sit down in the aft of the boat and still be able to fish at your full pleasure. As we move to the center console, this one has a Hummingbird electronics tilt steering wheel. All of your switches and panels are right here, easy accessible, and it's just an overall very nice center console of height to where you still have plenty of real estate to block the wind around you, but still have enough for rod holders, switches, and a grab rail. As we move forward, you'll notice that there is a Yeti box here, or a Yeti cooler for a seat, doubles for seat storage, ice, etc. Plenty of rod storage compartments on both sides here, two fishing boxes, as well as an additional pedestal fishing seat. As we work our way finally to the front of the boat, you can see that it does have a Minn Kota trolling motor, and the owner opted to put another Hummingbird up here, very similar to the bass fishing style layout, so you still have a screen up in the front to be able to see what fish are around you. Like I mentioned earlier, this is my favorite style of boat. It's beautiful. It's a great application for around here. If you want to know more about it or come see it, come see me at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. This is Jacob Wright. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank y'all.